The real numbers have been divided into two parts. One is called rational numbers and second, irrational numbers. Now, what are rational numbers? Any number which is of the form p by q, that is numerator by denominator, and where the denominator is not equal to 0 is a rational number. For example, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2, 3 by 7, etc. And what about irrational numbers? Numbers which are not rational numbers are irrational number, like root 2, 1 by root 7, pi, etc. So, real numbers have been divided into two parts. One is rational number, and the proper definition of rational and irrational number we'll study later in this chapter. Right now, I'm just taking the examples of rational number and irrational numbers, and now I'll draw one diagram which will tell us that the real number system is divided into how many parts, and it will make you much more clear about the partitions of the real number system. Is this thing clear to you? Now we'll start with the diagram. First, we'll start with natural numbers. Natural numbers. What are natural numbers? Natural numbers start from 1. 1, 2, 3, up to infinity. They go on like this. These are natural numbers. Okay. So, our first part of the real number system is natural number, and natural numbers start from 1. But now if I add zero to it, if I add 0 to the natural number, I'll get whole number. So, second part is whole numbers. Now, if I hide this W, I get HOLE, whole. This whole is like this. So, that indicates that if I add this 0 to the natural number, I'll get the set of whole numbers. And this is the only difference between natural number and whole number, that whole number has one extra number, that is 0 with it. Is this thing very clear to you? If I add 0 to the natural number, we get whole number. Now, if I add negative numbers to it, like minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, I get integers. Is this thing clear to you? This is my third part of the real number system. This is natural numbers. 1, it's starting from 1 onwards, 1, 2 and 3. Then comes the whole number. If I add 0 to the natural number, I get the set of whole numbers. If I add negatives like minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, I get the set of integers. And if I add numbers of the form this, 2 by 3, minus 1 by 2, 4 by 7, that is of the form numerator by denominator, I get rational numbers. So this is my set of rational numbers, which contains natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, plus numbers of the form p by q. Is this thing clear to you? So this is my set of rational number. Now, what are irrational numbers? the numbers which are not rational numbers are known as irrational number. So let me mark this set as irrational number. And it will contain numbers of the form root 2 minus 1 by root 7 pi, etc. And this whole thing is known as the real number system. Is this thing very clear to you? This is a real number system which consists of rational numbers and irrational numbers. Rational number contains natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and this all, if we add numbers of the form numerator by denominator also to it, we get the set of rational numbers. And here the numbers which are not rational numbers are known as irrational number. So this is the real number system. I hope this is very clear to you. Now we'll start with the Euclid division lemma. Have you written this down? I hope yes.